7 3/8, 2, 3. Subtract off 3/4. Size pieces are not the same, so we need a common denominator. Common between 8 and 4, take the big number. Is there something we can do to 4 to change it into an 8? Yes, so our common denominators are 8ths. I multiplied 4 times 2 to get an 8 here, so I'm going to have to use my 2 times 3 is 6. So these 3 pieces now are actually going to turn into 6/8, that 6 of this size, because each of these orange ones can take 2 of the pinks. Here's 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here's a picture of our 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The top number, the top fraction, the first fraction, is already in 8ths, so I'm just going to move this over 3 and copy the whole number. Okay, so now I need to take 6 of the 8ths. I'm going to have to subtract 6/8 from 3/8. Well, there's not enough to take the 6 away. So this is when I'm going to take one of the whole numbers and rename it as 6 and 8/8. Because when you have a whole, you are borrowing 8/8 in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See how I borrowed one whole thing? This is not going to stick. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole number that I borrowed. I took 1 from the 7, which renamed into 6 and 8/8. There they are. So the combined number of 8ths that I have at this point is 8, 9, 10, 11. These combine to 11/8. So I'm just going to move a few over here so they're out of the way. 11/8. That's what the pink ones are now. Let me get my 11 back on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And over here, I just have to bring my fraction over, 6/8. So this is 6 and 11/8. It's 6 and 11/8. But that 1/8 just doesn't want to stay on there, does it? All right, so just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Please stick. 6 and 11/8. Take away 6/8. Now 11/8 is enough that I can finally take 6 away. So I'll take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 11 take away 6 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5/8 remaining, and don't forget, the whole number has to come down too. So the complete answer for this problem is 6 and 5/8.